Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of this.
All right, you're under arrest.
Get out of the car.
On July 29th, 2023, Chris Lake police received a report from a citizen about a woman found unconscious in her car. And from the second they arrived, it was pretty clear this wasn't going to be a quick chat and a warning.
Ma'am. Ma'am. You up? You okay? Ma'am.
Yeah.
Wake up. Hello?
I'm up.
I'm Officer So with Chris Lake Police. Is everything okay?
Yep.
What are you doing out here? I got someone flagged me down saying that you're passed out in your car.
I'm sleeping.
You're sleeping? Okay. Where are you coming from?
Crystal Lake.
Crystal Lake? Okay, do you know where you're at right now?
Crystal Lake.
Okay. Do you know like what street you're on?
I do.
What street?
Why?
I'm just asking.
Why?
I just want to make sure that you're
I
okay.
don't want to.
What's your first name?
I don't have to answer that.
Have you been...
I don't have to answer any questions.
Okay. Have you been drinking it all today?
Goodbye.
I just want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Goodbye. I'm not driving. Goodbye.
Well, what's your plan for the rest of the day?
Goodbye.
Your incident has been updated.
Get out of the car! Get the out!
Okay.
Get out. Get out.
Get out of the car.
Get out.
No, we
Get out.
got the vehicle stopped.
Get out.
We got the key to
Get out of the car.
Get out. Step out.
Come out of the car.
Get out.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of this.
All right, you're under arrest.
Get out of the car. Okay, let's send her up. Let's send her up. Let's send her up. Let's send her up. She's no threat. Let's send her up, okay? All right, man. Listen, we're here to help you, okay?
No, you're not.
She was so intoxicated that she couldn't speak in full sentences. Her yelling was relentless, sounding like a fire alarm going off at 3 a.m.
What the f are you doing? Really?
All right, you're under arrest.
Really? Really? Really?
This shit's custer, dude.
Wait a minute, I need my shoes.
You got a cage?
I need
Yeah, I
my
got one.
shoes.
You guys got her?
Yeah.
I need
Let's go.
my shoes.
Let's go. Step
I need
in.
my shoes.
Get
I
inside.
need my
Step
shoes.
inside. Or get your shoes.
I need my
We'll get your
shoes.
We'll get your shit.
You know what?
Man,
Get in
this
the
is
car.
the last time I'm going to tell you.
You know what?
Place
Here's the thing. Here's the thing.
Here's the thing. You're drunk.
Here's the
Get
thing.
in the car.
In the car now. You crash into another car because you're driving drunk. Get in the car.
Step in.
Ma'am, get in the car right now. This is the last time I'm going to tell you or you're going to be placed. Okay? Are you going to get in the car? Okay.
Get in the car. Again. Sit up. Up. Sit up. Alright, can you just sit up and act like an adult?
Ma'am, Ma'am, can you please behave like an adult? You drove drunk and you hit another.
Are you gonna like do anything, or are you just gonna sit there? Because there's two options. You can act like an adult, sit in the seat, or we can put you in the seat.
Isn't that up for discussion? You're going to jail, okay? So just sit in the seat.
I don't know. She wouldn't say anything to me.
My name is Ramon. I'm with the Crystal Lake Fire Department. I'm a paramedic. I'm here to assess you, okay? What's your name? Hey, can I sit you up? I don't, you look uncomfortable. I'm going to sit you up a little bit, okay? I got to take a look. I got to make sure you're not passed out or anything. You're forcing yourself, so.
Oh my God!
All right.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
All righty.
Oh my God!
Right,
Oh my God!
Hi.
Oh my God!
Do you have
Oh
your
my
ID
God!
by chance or any identifier?
Ah!
Why are you screaming? So,
I don't know, she's got a bunch of prescription medications and a bunch of...
yeah, I mean, she's not obviously answering any questions or doing anything.
Yeah.
So, obviously, inevitably, I believe we're going to be transporting her anyways, I would imagine, right?
Yeah.
Because even if we don't transport her, which, again, I'm just getting to that point, you guys have like a limit, right, of what their blood alcohol level can be before they have to be sent out to a hospital for like evaluation, I
We
want to
would
say.
normally do with like anything over 3.0, we would normally contact fire for you guys
Yeah.
to check, but with her not even communicating with us, with her crashing and then all the pills and stuff. we couldn't really do
She hasn't even
it.
complied, I'm assuming. She hasn't
No,
even
she
blown.
hasn't
You guys have
done
no
it.
idea where her,
No.
any of that information.
No.
What's your name? Here you go. This is for me?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, please. Jill?
Yeah.
Jill! Jill! All right. So, Jill, since you're not communicating with me, all right, and we're highly suspecting that you've consumed a lot of alcohol and or ingested, your prescription drugs, if you are not communicating with me whatsoever, I have zero choice but to take you to the hospital, okay? Let's see if we can get her to stand up, and then you can at least get one off. I mean,
Hey, Jill.
I'm not worried about it. Not
Jill.
being able to getting her.
Jill. Jill, can you,
What's that?
can you sit up?
Jill, stand up.
Jill, come on.
Ah! Ah! Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
Jill, can you step out of the
You
Can you step out of the car? Step out of the
get
car.
your.
Anybody.
I'm
You're
not
going to get a
gonna
additional
catch
charge.
anybody.
Okay, so
Jill.
get out.
Get your.
Are you going to step out of the car?
If you don't
Get
get out
your-
of the car, I'm going to put you in the wrap, and that's your whole body's going to be restrained to assist
I don't
us.
care.
So you need to
Get
get out of the
your-
vehicle for us.
Get your.
That's not going to happen.
Get your.
The officers had to force Jill out of the car and initiate safety measures to transport her to the hospital, even though she continued to refuse cooperation.
Get your.
Then assist yourself
Get
to get out of the car.
Get your. Get your. Get your.
Which hand are we going to
Get your.
one and then, yeah.
Get your.
She's going to go.
Oh. Get your. Get your.
so again-
Your.
Jill, again, I'm Ramon. I'm a paramedic. I'm with the fire department. You gotta
know
listen.
what? You.
Okay, that's fine. Jill. So we're taking you to the hospital. I've already
Get
stressed.
your.
Alright, Jill,
Get
let's bring the
your.
scooter back just a little bit, alright?
Get your.
Jill.
Relax.
Jill,
Get-
relax.
Get.
Jill,
Jill,
have a seat.
What the f- are you
Jill,
doing?
you gotta relax.
Right.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Enough with the nonsense.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You are
Then which hospital are you guys going
I'm McHenry. What's that?
Probably not gonna take
really.
How you been, man?
Not too bad. I think they have to place a hold on her at least because aggravated to the paramedic, the battery charge.
Oh, yeah.
So he has to place a hold on her.
Jill was arrested and faces multiple charges: aggravated DUI, fleeing, and battery on a paramedic. She was also cited for an open container, improper lane usage, failure to reduce speed, and driving without insurance.